Today I show you how to block the installation of apps you don't want on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. And these are apps that either are not coming from the official Play Store. If you want to block the installation of apps from the Play Store, you could use Parental Controls for that to restrict the age restriction, to use age restriction. And in the settings you also have in security and privacy the option for auto blocker. This is going to block apps that are not from authorized sources, also blocking apps from installing through USB cable connections or even malware images and messages apps and not official, non-official software updates. Basically, this is a security feature that you really want to enable, and they have an extra option, maximum restrictions. This is if you want your phone to be really much better protected. But I'm not sure if I want to have this option. It's really, I believe it's too much protection. I don't know. You can block device administration apps and 2G networks. This is a lot more security than the basic one. And also it will not reconnect to non-secure Wi-Fi networks. That might be a problem in public spaces where you have most of the time an unsecured Wi-Fi network. And to download attachments and block shared albums, remove location data from sharing pictures. This might be a good option when you want to have, and I was trying to enable it until I saw McAfee there, and I was, I don't know, I prefer not to have too many things enabled, so I prefer to keep it this way. Maximum restrictions off, but the auto blocker to be enabled so you cannot install apps from unknown sources, and even if you try to bypass them. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you secure your Samsung phone.